Hi, I welcome to all of you for the new session that is empty boxes or we can say carton projects. And do you know what are cartons? A box made from thick cardboard used for storing or transporting goods. So let's start. For this, we require sheets, glue, carton, scissors, pencil, and decoration material. I am taking here a different kind of the project which have been made from the carton, and the thing what you have to do, you have to take the different type of the shapes of the carton and try to decorate them and give a new images forms of animals, birds, or anything which you like. Two rockets have been made up of carton and decorated with the silver paper and other colored paper. Then we have a shark and cock also, which have been shown here. Even a flower vase. It's all up to you what you have to make from these cartons. Shirt carton have been used to make a photo frame, or you can go for the games, or you can go for the snow person, whatever you want, you can create from these empty boxes. Little some penguins have been made up of these carton, and then we have a boy and girl, and of course a cute owl has been shown here. Step by step, some photo frames have been shown here. You can create your own design also. More carton projects have been shown here, which have been beautified with the colored paper and some decoration material. Refrigerator, hut, garage, CD player, and some form of the animals and have been made up of these empty cartons. Animals and birds have been made up of carton and some accessory decoration materials have been used there, and hut has got painted. Some drawing sketch has been shown there, and one more project, that is car parking project, have been shown here. Take a ring of the carton and then give the look of the wall hanging by pasting some colored paper pictures on it. Even you can make pencil or pen holder with these cartons. A palace, engine, telephone, musical instrument, all have been made of these cartons. But to beautify these cartons, you can paint it or you can paste color paper on it. Any game, musical instrument or bus, van, car, scooter you can made from these cartons. Step by step pencil holders have been shown here which have been decorated with the colored paper or the paint or the pencils. Book rack, shoe rack, huts and hospital building also have been made from these empty cartons. Microwave, rocket, and some images of the animals have been made from these cartons. It's all depend upon the size of the carton which you have taken and convert into a different type of the shapes. Temple has been made up of these cartons, and one more bulb project have been shown here. Round and rectangle cartoons have been converted into the shape of the landscape, and some bunnies have been shown here, and one more cartoon project, that is ship. Flowers, butterfly have been made up of egg tray, that is also made up of carton, and then we have a crocodile, jeep, bunny, and frog. Cake, well, tree, hat, swing machine, jeep, jewelry box, you can make anything from these cartons. Animals, water animals, or any type of the games you can be make from these empty cartons. Engine, caterpillar, bunny, clouds, Some images of the cartoon have been shown here. In the end, please go through this video and try some cartoon projects. Thank you.